Hi friends, welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to convert Python code into an application. I created this Python script as an example. Now, together, we will convert this Python code into an executable application. As you can see, it's a simple script that lists the titles and thumbnails of the last 10 videos from any YouTube channel you choose. To convert it to an EXE file, we will use the pyinstaller tool. To install pyinstaller, open the terminal and type pip space install space pyinstaller and press enter. After installing pyinstaller, you should type this command into the terminal and press enter to run it. Before you run the pyinstaller, there are some things I need to explain to you. Please watch this section carefully. The onefile command compresses all files into a single EXE file. The windowed command prevents the command prompt from opening in the background when you run the resulting EXE file. After the name command, you must enter the name of the EXE file to be created. Finally, and this is the most important part, you must enter the name of your script. Since my script's name is main.py, I use that. If yours is main.py, you should use main.py. After customizing the command according to your script, press enter. The conversion process to EXE has started. It usually takes 1 or 2 minutes. When the executable file is created, you will see a directory in the terminal indicating where your executable file is located. You can quickly navigate to your executable files directory by copying and pasting this directory. Let's test if it's still working. As you can see, it's working perfectly. I hope this step-by-step tutorial video on how to convert Python code into an application has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.